Come on, work. Woo. Work hard. Do it again. Up. Center. Double tap. Stick to your level of comfort here.
Then he told me to tell you that he wouldn't piss on you if you were on fire.
Will you tell him that I said I wouldn't piss on him if he was on jeopardy?
Yeah, I heard about that. Oh, that'd be so... Oh, let me check out the Tourettes Guy. Dad, can you Google Limp Bizkit for me real fast?
I would have Googled Limp Bizkit with your dick.
Oh, please, come on, Dad. It's spelled B-I-Z.
Bitch.
Okay, we will see you at 10:30 a.m. on the 2650 Dr. Road.
Remember that fat wrestler from the 1980s named Dusty Rhodes? Man, he was that piece of shit! Oh, fuck me!
At 3 sevens.
Oh, fuck me!
And material and total labor, we're looking at a grand total of $875.50. Now, all this work is here for 20 years. Now, some of the other issues that you had with the toilet, I can repair all that. If you wanted the actual toilet replaced, we're looking at a 35-year warranty on our newest model.
Oh, fuck me! I said, fuck me!
Excuse me, son. You know if Gypsy's open tomorrow? Well, it's Sunday. You know if they're open or not?
This looks like a ass. Someone would know if Jimmy was open on Sundays.
Oh, hell no!
What is this? Shitload of mashed potatoes day? Huh? You gotta be something to eat in this damn house. Ah, hell, he's got some corn and some green beans and some oats and some saltines and... What the hell's this shit?
We grew up in a small town. When I was in my 20s, would often go off on walks and walk around, see the neighborhood. I later married my wonderful wife, a woman that...
You got some shit on your nose. Just a little piece of shit right there on the end of it. Yeah. That guy. Go ahead. You asshole. Too goddamn. Fuck this! That goddamn table's defective. Oh, fuck! God damn! Are you okay, Dad? Hell no, I'm not okay. I'm an old man and I fell on my ass. Get over here and help me up, somebody! You want me to call 911? Fuck 911! No, get your ass over here. Quit standing around with your fingers in your asses. Get over here. Danny, get your ass over here. About fucking time, asshole. God damn it. Oh, damn. You know what? Fuck you all. I guess I gotta pick my own ass up. God damn it, you're gonna be sorry when I get up. I'm gonna whip your ass, you little son of a bitch. Come back here, you cocksucker. Come back here. Damn it. I'm too damn old for this. Oh, you think you can get away by hiding under there? Well, I got news for you. I can reach and grab that. You ain't gonna get away from me now. I got you, you little cuck. Oh, what the hell? What? Oh, damn. Damn, they don't make clothes like they used to.